Hi friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make pepper chicken in Chinese style, which will be very delicious, and you can enjoy this recipe either as a starter or as a side dish along with fried rice or noodles. So friends, let's get started with this yummy recipe. And here I have taken 5 pieces of boneless chicken thighs cut into medium portions like this, and I have used chicken thighs as they tend to be more soft and juicy compared to chicken breast. And now I'm going to season them with some salt as per taste. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next goes lots and lots of freshly crushed black pepper, as we are making pepper chicken or chicken in black pepper sauce. And now goes the white part of an egg. And for coating and binding goes 1/2 tablespoon of corn flour. Now mix all the ingredients well. And we will let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now we'll prepare a sauce. For that, take a bowl and into it we'll add some water. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, then goes 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, a pinch of salt or as per taste, as soya sauce and oyster sauce also contains salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper or as per your spice level. Now mix all the ingredients well, and our sauce to make pepper chicken is also ready. Next, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour, into which I'll be adding little water to make a slurry. Mix this well, and our corn flour slurry is also ready. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat sufficient oil in a wok or frying pan, and when the oil is hot, we will add the marinated chicken cubes into the hot oil. Keep the flame on medium, and on medium flame we will fry the chicken cubes until they turn golden brown from all the sides. After about 1 minute, we'll flip the chicken cubes and we'll fry for another 1 to 2 minutes till they are done. And right now the chicken cubes are fried golden brown, nice and crisp. So I will take them off. You can enjoy them right away also, as they are crisp from outside and so juicy and flavorful from inside. I have taken out some of the excess oil from the wok, and now into this I am adding around 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Next goes 2 dry red chillies, and on medium flame we will saute the garlic and red chilli for a while until they turn golden brown and aromatic. Next goes some onion chunks, red, green and yellow bell peppers cut into chunks, and on high flame we will stir them for a few seconds as we want to retain their color and crunch. And now time to add the sauce which we had prepared, as well as the corn flour slurry. Mix this well so that the sauce and the slurry combines well. And as the sauce starts to thicken, we will add the fried chicken cubes into it. And now on high flame we need to coat the chicken cubes really well with the black pepper sauce, so that they can absorb all the flavors of the sauce. And our restaurant style pepper chicken is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our delicious pepper chicken into the serving bowl. So friends, do try this yummy pepper chicken recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.